Ever feel like your money has a mind of its own, slipping through your fingers no matter how hard you try to hold on? You're not alone. In a world of endless subscriptions, tempting online shopping, and the ever-increasing cost of living, getting a handle on your finances can feel like trying to catch smoke. But what if I told you there are tools and frameworks out there designed to bring clarity and control to your spending? Today, we're diving into two powerful concepts that, when combined, can be a game-changer for your financial well-being: Rocket Money and the 50/30/20 budget rule. You might have heard of one or both, but how do they work together? And more importantly, how can they help you take charge of your money? Let's explore. Think about your current financial situation for a moment. Are you living paycheck to paycheck? Do you know exactly where your money is going each month? Are you saving consistently towards your goals? If you answered no to any of these questions, it's a sign that you might benefit from a more structured approach to budgeting. Enter the 50/30/20 rule. This simple yet effective framework provides a clear guideline for allocating your after-tax income. It suggests dividing your spending into three main categories. 50% for needs. These are your essential expenses, the things you absolutely must pay for to live and work. Think rent or mortgage payments, groceries, transportation costs, car payments, public transport fares, fuel, utilities, electricity, water, gas, minimum debt payments, and basic health care. These are the non-negotiables that keep your life running. 30% for wants. This category encompasses your non-essential spending, the things you enjoy but could technically live without. This includes dining out, entertainment, hobbies, streaming services, new clothes, vacations, and more. These are the expenses that add enjoyment and quality to your life, but they offer flexibility in your budget. 20% for savings and debt repayment. This crucial portion of your income is dedicated to securing your financial future. It includes contributions to savings accounts, emergency fund, retirement accounts, down payment funds, and any extra payments you can make towards your debts beyond the minimum required. This is where you build financial security and work towards your long-term goals. The beauty of the 50/30/20 rule lies in its simplicity and adaptability. It's a guideline, not a rigid set of laws. You can adjust the percentages slightly based on your individual circumstances and priorities. For example, if you have significant debt, you might temporarily allocate a larger portion to debt repayment and slightly reduce your wants. Now, where does Rocket Money come into play? Rocket Money is a powerful personal finance app designed to help you manage your money more effectively. It acts as your financial control center, bringing together all your accounts in one place and offering a range of features to streamline your budgeting process. One of Rocket Money's core strengths is its ability to automatically track your income and expenses. By linking your bank accounts and credit cards, the app categorizes your transactions, giving you a clear overview of where your money is going each month. This eliminates the tedious task of manually tracking every single expense. This automatic categorization is where Rocket Money becomes incredibly helpful in implementing the 50/30/20 rule. Instead of painstakingly sorting through your bank statements, Rocket Money does the heavy lifting for you. It can identify your recurring subscriptions, categorize your spending on groceries, dining out, and entertainment, and give you a clear picture of how your spending aligns with the 50/30/20 framework. Imagine opening the app and seeing a visual breakdown of your spending: 52% allocated to needs, 28% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Immediately, you can see if you're on track or if adjustments need to be made. Perhaps your wants are creeping up, and you need to reevaluate your discretionary spending. Or maybe you realize you can allocate a bit more to savings to reach your goals faster. Beyond just tracking, Rocket Money offers several other features that complement the 50/30/20 rule. Subscription management. How many subscriptions are you currently paying for? Streaming services, software, gym memberships, they can add up quickly. Rocket Money helps you identify all your recurring subscriptions in one place, making it easy to cancel the ones you no longer need or use. This directly impacts your wants category, freeing up money for other priorities. Budgeting tools. Rocket Money allows you to set custom budgets for different spending categories. While the 50/30/20 rule provides the overall framework, you can use Rocket Money to create more granular budgets within each category. For example, within your 30% for wants, you might set a specific budget for dining out or entertainment. Bill negotiation. This is a particularly powerful feature. Rocket Money can negotiate lower rates on your existing bills, such as internet, phone, and cable. If they successfully negotiate a lower rate, you save money without any effort on your part. These savings can then be redirected to your savings and debt repayment category or provide more breathing room in your needs or wants. Savings goals. Rocket Money allows you to set specific savings goals, whether it's for a down payment on a house, a new car, or a vacation. By visualizing your goals and tracking your progress, you're more likely to stay motivated and allocate the necessary funds from your 20% savings target. Net worth tracking. Understanding your net worth, your assets minus your liabilities, is crucial for long-term financial health. Rocket Money provides a clear overview of your net worth, helping you track your progress over time as you save more and pay down debt. So, how can you practically combine the 50/30/20 rule with Rocket Money? Here's a step-by-step approach. Step 1. Calculate your after-tax income. Start by determining your average monthly income after taxes and any other deductions. This is the base figure you will use to apply the 50/30/20 percentages. Step 2. Set up Rocket Money. Download the Rocket Money app and link all your relevant financial accounts, checking accounts, savings accounts, credit cards, and loan accounts. Step 3. Review automatic categorization. Once your accounts are linked, Rocket Money will automatically categorize your past transactions. Take some time to review these categories and ensure they are accurate. You can recategorize transactions if needed to get a clear picture of your spending habits. Step 4. Identify your needs, wants, and savings/debt. Based on the categorized data in Rocket Money, assess how your current spending aligns with the 50/30/20 rule. Are you spending more than 50% on needs? Is your wants category exceeding 30%? Are you allocating at least 20% to savings and debt repayment? Step 5. Create budgets within Rocket Money. Use Rocket Money's budgeting tools to set spending limits for various subcategories within your needs and wants. This will help you stay within the overall 50/30/20 framework. For example, you might set a budget for groceries within your needs or a budget for dining out within your wants. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.